Who let him operate the skid steer? Working on making a new jump for the track, roughly 70 feet. Will be the biggest one on the track. It'll be a bit before he hits it though. He needs to get a bigger bike.
A few moments later.
Today, we're selling the 150. Yeah, me and that bike have been through a lot, from flipping over the bars in that sand area and from coming up short to that jump, and then that was a good crash. At this point, the bike's basically dead to me, but it's been a good bike. There's nothing on the stand now, and that's a problem, so it's time to go shopping. We're headed out to go. Yesterday I went and looked at it, and so now I just got off work and we're heading over to go pick it up, and then yeah, because since the 150's gone, we need something to take its place. Got the 250 all loaded up. I just can't really see from there, but right there. Well, first test we're gonna try is climbing up this hill, this sand hill, with Ethan here. See how well it does. Should be pretty good. Oh, drifting in. We can say she chews up the hill pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That was a good climb.
Not used to that speed.
No, like on the 150, I'll see if I can pull up a clip, but oh man, it just like goes, barely makes it up. I have to be wrung out like to the bar. So I've yet to test it on the track, see how it jumps. So here we are at the track, and I think I got the takeoff good. We don't know, we think it's a little bit too steep, but there really is no way to tell of him and just hitting it, so trying to figure it out right now, the speed.
Just leaves the rake and the shovel on the landing.
Why are you clearing the landing? You obviously know I'm not going to land there. What I'm scared of for these ones is it bucking on the back tire.
Yeah.
But at the same time, is this going to be enough? Because I know how much a little bit of dirt does. Fuck it, I'm hitting this rut.
Why you bullying me?
No fucking way.
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah. Not gonna just lie, I wasn't even hitting the jump and my heart dropped.
I almost backed out. Woo!
That one scared me a little.
Yeah, I did too. I thought I was going over the bars. So this thing's basically like totaled. Like the seat's not even on there.
I don't even think you have to explain it, just look.
Look at it.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Yeah, it's not good. It's on the verge of blowing up, so might as well like go out in a fun way. So we're gonna launch it on the 80-foot jump, just ghost ride it into it. Just gonna load her up in the back of his truck. Yeah, it'll be something. Take her out there. It'll be sick. Got the mini quad all loaded up in the back here. Headed over to the shop. We got to fill up the tires because it's probably gonna want to steer off to the side when we go to ghost ride it. And plus we got to pick up some tape to tape the throttle open. But yeah, it'll be pretty friggin' sick.
Just stopped at the shop, making sure the tires are full of air.
Yeah, this one's like the tube's kind of cooked, but
It's okay.
so is everything else on this quad.
Yeah. Explodes in your face.
Okay, that's good. Okay, what else?
What about the other tires?
This one's pretty rough too. The back right one's good. I'm not even gonna put the valve caps back on. Who cares? That's good.
This is about the last you'll see of the squad.
Right over. That was perfect. That's how you do it. Easiest way. We don't need this. We don't need this anyway.
As you can tell, she smoked a bit.
So we're basically just gonna click it into like second, maybe third. I'm guessing second. And we're just gonna let it smoke the jump over there. Should be pretty sick. We got the GoPro attached on the back. Should give a pretty sick view of that. Fucking do it.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Well, take two.
Who's chasing me for a bit?
How about that? Oh, it's smoking.
I'm surprised it didn't blow up.
Yeah. Kept going.
Let's see if it even starts back up here.
Oh, like nothing. Are you gonna be able to do it all yourself? I can go stand over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Should be good.
All the smoke from the quad. Was that third? All right, here goes take three. Holy fuck, I'm good. Holy f***. Get the quad, go, get the quad. Oh!
No way.
I'm fine.
Are you actually okay?
I'm fine, I'm
Are you
honestly
actually
fine.
okay?
I'm fine. Holy fuck, I just did a backflip off of that. Oh boy.
You got smucked.
Oh, I held the phone the whole time. Go stand up next to the jump. This thing isn't little. Oh. That's about like 6 feet right there, 5 or 6 feet. I just did a backflip off of it.
Well, that was a way to end off today's video.
Tears of joy.
Tears of joy.
Oh, it's great.
Cameraman never dies.
No.
You see that? He did a friggin' front flip off that jump, landed down here. We're leaving the quad. It is absolutely totaled. Look at the whole side panel ripped right off. We're just gonna tear the rest off.
There's a snorkel too.
That's crazy.
Fucking cost us a front flip and a mount.
Yeah, the mount broke. It's a $100 mount. Well, that'll conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like for this guy. Cameraman never dies. Clearly, he's good.
Oh, we're good. Feeling better than ever.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, we're leaving it at that. We're not doing this again. Quad's done for now. That'll be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.